Leopards are spotted somewhere in Ukraine. Five abandoned, destroyed, and captured Russian tanks on video. The author of the video says that there are 2 more tanks and the 8th burned down. The UK announces the supply of glorious tank-piercing depleted uranium rounds for Ukraine. Hurrah! But what the hell are they?
Moving on to the finned sabot round. Inside this casing, we have this finned metal dart. No explosives, and it doesn't crumple on impact, which, even on this training round, is about 1,600 meters per second. The dart's doing several times the speed of sound when it leaves the barrel. It stays intact when it hits the target and can punch straight through one side of a tank and out the other. This is an example of a section of armor that was victim of one of these finned sabot rounds. It made quite a mess. Could ruin your day.
Mobics are arrested in the Russian Federation, who refuse to return with meat to storm Ukrainian positions.
Сам был, блядь? Скажи, блядь, ты сам там был, блядь? Ты видел, что какой там творят, блядь? Что решено? Что ты там решил уже? Дезертир! Какой нахуй дезертир?
Australian journalist Sarah Ferguson has started her interview with Russian ambassador to Australia with the right question.
Ambassador Pavlovsky, welcome to 7:30.
Good day.
Ambassador, you're here in Australia enjoying the benefits of a free and open society. How do you live with yourself representing the repressive, dictatorial Putin regime? You find that funny?
What I find funny is your way to start an interview.
Pretty straight question.
Yes, too straight. So, let me tell you, first of all, that I never had problems living in my country.
And the snow is not a reason to skip workout.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.